Hello, I'm in a 1998 Pontiac Sunfire, and today I'm going to show you to open the hood. So from your driver's side, we'll go right down to the left here. You should see a lever here to pull. Heard the hood pop. That was the safety being released. There should be some tension here, and if there's not, double check this cable's tight. For some reason it's not connected or really loose, might need to adjust that. I'll go up to the front. You can see the hood's a little loose now. It should feel loose. In most vehicles there's a lever towards the middle. Look right under here so I can see it. Oh, I see. So it's just out of reach here. So from here, the lever's here. So we're gonna lift up and then lift up the hood. It's just indented a little, so it's kind of awkward reach. Hard to do with one hand. I'll try though. There we go. So that's what the hook looked like. And this is what the mechanism here is. Like that lifter. If this is stuck or having issues, you might need to clean debris out. Check maybe some WD-40. Sometimes if your hood's a little out of alignment or bent somewhere, or that component, you need to straighten it out, and that'll help. In worst case, these components are pretty cheap to replace if any of that's needed or a new cable. But I hope this was helpful. I hope you have a wonderful day.